What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel again. It's me, of course, the crypto enthusiast, Light Liger here at your service. And today, we're gonna be looking into this crypto trading bot that I've been using the past 2 weeks called Scavenger BOT. It's currently on open beta. And what is a trading bot? Well, to give you the short summary, it is essentially a bot that is working through an API that you generate through the exchange. Many exchanges support bots and APIs such as Binance, KuCoin, Bitmex, and many others. And there are obviously many other bots on the market. We have the Crypto Hopper, the Gumbot, and the Crypto Trade. And most of them have like a set business model, which is that they have a monthly cost that you pay on a monthly basis. Then they have some premium package. And also, they're kind of hard to configure. So Scavenger Bot has two things that makes it a really strong option for many people, especially the noobs, the people who kind of are new to the crypto space, such as me. I kind of been heavily invested in the last 3 months on the crypto space, and obviously I was, tapping into Bitcoin back in 2015, but then I dropped it, and now I'm like fully back. And, I've tried some of those other bots such as Crypto Hopper and also Sunda Trader. And those are kind of hard to configure. People who don't know anything about trading will have a lot of hard time making those things function. And that's where Scavenger Bot comes in. So one of the things about Scavenger Bot is really, really easy to do. Right now, it's only working with Bitcoin, so that's probably its weakest point right now, that it only functions in one crypto exchange and also only with Bitcoin. But they are having a roadmap, which we will be looking into a second, on when it's going to be expanding into other cryptos and also other exchanges. And the second thing about it is the pricing model. So you only pay 15% of the profits you made with the bot. So with Crypto Hopper especially, like if you're not making any profit the month, you're still going to pay that $20 or whatever is the cheapest cost with that bot. If you don't make anything with the bot, there are no costs. There are no zero upfront costs that you have with the Scavenger Bot. Technically, it is a weekly, invoice that will be sent to you. And technically that means that the first week is free. Okay, you have a free trial week. If it doesn't work out for you, you can stop, and the bot doesn't have access to withdraw your money from the exchange, so it only has the ability to buy and sell and trade. Okay, those are the three functions, and most bots have these clear definitions what the API can do, what gives it access to. So it's a very secure way also. And there's also vacation mode. And right now it's in open beta, as I talked about. In closed beta, it traded over 5,000 Bitcoin. That is a large amount, I have to say. And here is the current exchange in the pairs, which is Bidmax and also the USD. And in the roadmap, they are planning to add 2 different exchanges in the near future, Digitax and Deribit. And also we're going to get more trading pairs for Bitmex in December. Hopefully Ethereum. That's something that I want to get into. And how do I set up essentially this bot? Well, we go into my panel here. I have 2 pots. One is long and one is short. If you're new to the things, the directions are always long and short, and they function a bit differently. So most people have a separate accounts on Bitmex. One is for long trading and one is for short trading. And yes, Bitmex allows you to have multiple accounts. That is definitely not against the terms of service. So let me show you quickly how easy it is to create a new bot. So you just choose the exchange first, then you choose the direction. If you're going to be going for just the one pair, go for short. That would be my personal advice. I'm not a financial advisor though, keeping that in mind. I'm your financial champion. Okay, that was cringy. Anyhow, one of the other negatives that I forgot to mention is that the minimum amount is 0.05 Bitcoin. If you have less than this, the trade will stop trading, to my understanding, or it won't function as it should. So it will start to, trade poorly or doesn't trade at all, okay? And most other bots have lower amounts, but even with those bots, they don't really make you profit. So you really need to always invest the bare minimum to get like really rolling. And that is the bare minimum that you have to put in. And as I said, when you go into the exchange, you just copy paste the API from the ID and secret here, and you just hit the create bot, and that's how the bot is done. That's how easy it is with the Scavenger bot. You don't need to put anything else. The bot will take care of it. And let's go to Bitmex, which is the one that is working with Scavenger bot, and I have my referral link down below to sign up for Bitmex account. I would appreciate you using it. And, you know, there's many cryptocurrencies obviously on this platform, but I only use it for the bots. So that's something that also is very important, or what I would recommend is that obviously I'm signed to many exchanges out there, but I only use these exchanges to pretty much like some are only for the bots. Okay. And we can go to my account, and here we can see my transaction history. So I've been using it now almost at 2 weeks, and I started in November 2nd, and I deposited 0.0509 Bitcoins pretty much. And ever since, you can see the realized P&L. That is, it says XBT, but it means Bitcoin. And realized P&L means the amount that you have made. So every day I've been on the plus every day. That's pretty good, actually, when you think about it. Really, when you think about it, it's really positive every day. And a lot of the other bots that I've used have been very wonky, or they have made minus to me. But this has been extremely reliable. Maybe some people had some issues with the long term, but as you can see here, you can have a message that it's filling the orders and everything. And, you know, it has been going up slightly on as days go by. And the more you deposit, more is going to make for you. So as the amounts go by, it kind of scales up, you know. And a lot of people have made really, really good money with it. And so in some of the days, I made around $5, $6 a day. And it's been extremely good. And more volatility and fluctuations there is in the market, more money you're going to make with this bot. And like, that's how easy it is. And obviously I don't recommend withdrawing money from the wallet so you can pay the weekly cost of the Scavenger bot. I really recommend you to have a separate account where there's some Bitcoin, which is used to pay the 15% trading fee. And because, well, let's go to the withdraw here, and there is yeah, so there's actually somewhat quite high fees on Bitmex, so it's not recommendable to withdraw money all the time from the exchange. So be smart about that. And so far, Bitmex and Scavenger bot as a combination have been working out for me, generating me money. And in the 2 weeks, I've already made like $20. Okay, and it's gonna make me probably around $40 this month, and I assume from the next month it's gonna make me a lot more because, well, you know, the number of the Bitcoin is higher, so it will be trading more, and it will be, you know, whatever. And you don't need to worry about the API or the code or everything. It seems to know what it is doing because the profits are there. And that pretty much concludes my thoughts about Scavenger bot. It's definitely the easiest and most simple way to get into the whole, you know, trading bot thing. And obviously Bitcoin's value is going to go up probably in the amounts. Some people are saying crazy numbers like 25K, 50K, John McAfee, you know, 250K or 1 million, was it? I mean, those are crazy numbers, but you want to like make more Bitcoin in a safe way, even though it may be a small amount, you want to do that. And that's why I'm recommending Scavenger bot right now in terms of all the bots right now. It's the most beginner friendly, and I would argue that it's going to be the most consistent way of making money right now compared to the other alternatives, and at least the cheapest way. So if the market goes like sideways, at least you will be not paying more than the 15% trading fees. If you have any questions about Scavenger Bot, let me know in the comments section below. I try to help best I can. They also have a Discord and Telegram where they're extremely helpful. The community seems to be helping you a lot, and the devils are very interactive people with everybody, so it seems to be a very, very successful project, and I think many people will be using Scavenger Bot in the future. And do I have anything else to add? I will be doing some type of a report after, like maybe a month from now, and we will be seeing like what is the money looking after that, like what is the Scavenger Bot like analysis then, okay? But so far, it's been pretty good, guys. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time on the next video, whatever that may be. Until then, I see you guys soon. And yes, you have to subscribe at this point. You really have to. And cheers and goodbye.